क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग की सीरीज में आज का टॉपिक है डेटाबेस एज ए सर्विस. इट इज a cloud based managed database. That means you need not to have database within your premises. It's a managed database solution wherein a third party service provider handles all your database related operations, whether it is setting up of database, maintenance of database, scaling, security, and even backup. So users can store, manage, and access databases without having any dedicated IT team or any dedicated infrastructure within their premises, and there are minimal administrative tasks. So now let's understand more how database as a service simplifies data management if it is in the cloud. First point is, there is no need to set up any specific hardware like servers. Means no need to buy or maintain physical servers. Cloud providers install and configure the database themselves. For example, if there is a startup and they want to launch any product or service, so they can set up the database within minutes without any dedicated IT staff with the help of cloud service providers. Second point is automatic scaling. It handles high traffic loads by increasing resources automatically. For example, any e-commerce website can easily scale up database during sales event. Third point is high availability and backup. Automatic backup facility is available with the cloud service providers, and it ensures that there is no data loss. Data is stored across multiple locations for disaster recovery. For example, bank ensures 24/7 access to customer transactions with a database as a service. Another important point is security and compliance. Data encryption, firewalls, and access control ensure security. It complies with the international standards or rules like GDPR, HIPAA, or even ISO standards. Suppose there is a healthcare app which is storing patients' record securely. So if it is a HIPAA compliant, then if you are opting for cloud database, then it is HIPAA compliant normally. Another important point is cost effectiveness. There is no need of buying expensive database servers, or there is no need to hire a database administrators. User pay only for what they use instead of buying extra resources. So it is good for small businesses because they can use a low cost cloud database instead of a costly in-house server. If we take real world example, then Amazon Relational Database Service, RDS, is a good example of it. Netflix uses it for customer data management. Another good example is Microsoft Azure SQL database. Logistic companies uses Azure SQL for real-time shipment tracking. So this is all about for today. If you have any query related to the topic, please write in the comment box. I'll address those